Many would love to call this work, but for Jackie Dujmovic, it's a reality. She's managed to turn her passion for drones and conservation into a career. In 2015, she founded Hover UAV, and it's taken off. That success has her in the running for the title of New South Wales Businesswoman of the Year.
I'm totally stoked. I mean, there's so many amazing businesswomen out there, and to be nominated and then selected to be a finalist I'm just blown away.
The Port Stephens-based company pioneered the state's drone shark surveillance technology.
Now, if there's a shark being seen from the drones, they can instantly sound the alarm on the drones and people will know where that shark is and they can swim ashore.
Jackie is also an instructor in the She Flies program, teaching girls how to code and fly drones in the hope of empowering them to pursue a career in similar fields. Her other project, putting an end to ocean pollution by mapping plastic along our beaches.
Hopefully in the future, you may see drones or ground robots going around collecting that rubbish.
Emma Murphy, NBN News.